Welcome to my channel. Every beginners on forex trading relies on indicators. Now the problem is we have a lot of indicators on any trading platform. If we don't know what is the role of a certain indicator or what is the purpose or the proper usage of this indicator, we might misuse the indicator and apply it incorrect. So our trade will on losing situation. Now in this video, you will learn what is the role of the SMA indicator on forex trading. SMA means simple moving average. But before we move on, kindly subscribe on my channel and click the notification bell. Let's move on, guys. I will show you the full details, the correct usage of the moving average or SMA, and what is really the role of simple moving average. We are here on a naked chart, which means no indicators. If a trader will trade on a naked chart, particularly the beginners and even those who have 2 to 3 years experience, it is difficult for them to trade, not unless if the trader is using swing trading strategy and has a lot of experience or a professional trader. But if the trader is using scalping trading, he or she must use indicator to make it easier to analyze. This is the reason why most of the traders applies indicator on the chart. Now here is a chart with simple moving average indicator or SMA. Some of the traders applies the SMA to determine the entry point for a trade position, either buy or sell. Let's get another chart example and I will show you how they did it. Most of the traders set up their trade position on the first candlestick below SMA during sell position. It is probably here or might be at this bullish candle. Inversely proportion, they also set up their buy position on the first candlestick above SMA. It is definitely on this candlestick. Now the question is, how accurate is the trading strategy? Honestly, the trend on the chart is beautiful. A trader can make 2 wins in this trend using SMA trading strategy. But we are talking about the accuracy. Let us not set aside the market volatility. If the market is volatile, it is difficult to find a trend as beautiful as you see on the screen. Now let us make a scenario so that you will understand what I am saying. Let us cover the long bearish candlestick, assuming that the last and present candlestick appear on the chart is green or a bullish candlestick. Based on the chart situation, definitely the trader will anticipate that the momentum of the trend is bullish, knowing not that sometimes the market is volatile, and suddenly he was surprised. Boom! A long bearish candlestick appear. Now, in this situation, a mixed emotion happens to the trader. Either he will close the trade or he will let the trade continue. But if the trader is clever, he will close the trade on the area where it breaks the retracement. The retracement is this area. He will not wait until his stop loss has been hit. Surely, the stop loss is located on this area, which is also a mistake. Now, in this situation, he will not open another trade position because the rule is one candlestick below SMA is the entry point. Now let us uncover the other candlesticks to continue the scenario. Here we are now. Maybe or surely the trader will make a position here, a sell position on the first bullish candlestick, or either he will take a position on this bearish candlestick. Hence, this is the last candlestick he will see on the chart, which is the bearish candlestick. The trader will also anticipate that the trend will continue to go down, which means the momentum is bearish, knowing nothing again that the market sometimes becomes volatile. And suddenly again he was surprised, boom, a bullish candlestick appeared, and then a mixed emotion again happens. He will close or he will let the trade continue. Now he will not make a trade position again here since he didn't see a bullish candlestick above the SMA. This is how ridiculous if you will use the SMA as an indicator for your entry point. Through this scenario, you can now estimate the accuracy of SMA if you will use this to determine your entry point for your trade position. SMA is not an indicator to determine your entry point. SMA is only to determine the trend. Either it is bearish or bullish. That is the purpose of SMA. Now, how does it work? That's the question. Lately, the trade position was located above and below SMA. Now, this is also how the trend starts. One candlestick below SMA and one candlestick above SMA is the beginning of the trend reversal. If candlestick touching on the SMA, like this candlestick here, a lot of candlestick touching on SMA, and this one and this one, it is not considered that the trend is bullish, or it is not considered that the trend is bearish. If the candlestick is touching on the SMA, either it is a weak line or not, it is considered as sideways or sideways trend. That is how the SMA works. Now, even if the SMA tells us that the trend is bearish, it is not enough because there is another indicator that will confirm as what the SMA is telling. That indicator will tell us or will confirm if the SMA is correct. If what the SMA is telling, what the MSA tells us is correct. I hope that you learned something on this video, and hang on for the next video because I am going to upload the other indicator, which is the one who will confirm the SMA. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe on my channel and click the notification bell.